So today we have one of our clients whose machine just arrived in Nigeria, so we want to configure his machine before we send it to the site. So the machine is, come over, it's an M50 122 terahash that the client got. So what we do here in the office is we do much more of education and intimating people about what Bitcoin mining is, and we do configuration. We do not mine in our office, so we just set up, we do set up. So as you can see, it's a brand new machine that is going to be unpacked right now, and I'm going to begin the configuration process. So first of all, you have to find the local IP of the machine to be able to have the access to the dashboard of the machine for you to be able to configure it, put your wallet address and the rest. That's what I'm about to do now. Okay, internet. So the WhatMiner has one cable, unlike Antminers. Antminers has two power cables, one for the fan and one for the PSU. So, but the WhatMiners has just one, but it drags much more energy. See, this is the IP address of the miner, so I'm going to get the IP address on my browser, which is 0127. So you can see this is like the dashboard of the machine. It's showing one error because we have not yet configured. It said no pool configuration, so that means we have to point this machine to a particular mining pool which we are using Luxor. So I'm going to do that right away. So we have imputed the pool address and the miner name. So what we need to do now is for us to wait for some seconds for the mining pool to recognize that yes, we have actually attached a machine to that particular account, which it will reflect on the mining pool. So this mining pool, the owner of this machine has access to this particular account. So as soon as the mining pool recognizes that this machine is active and running, it will start sending out the hash rate. So yes, you can see this is the account. One machine is currently active. So now I want to add his wallet to it. New wallet. You see, that is when it's starting to pick up the sound of money, the sound of Bitcoin. Yeah, so for now, since I have not yet sent the machine to the hosting site, you can see that the split percentage is 100%, which will be going to this person's wallet. But once the machine gets to the hosting site, it is going to be a split of 70% will come here and 30% will go to the owner's wallet. So the machine is already starting to work, which I don't have much power in my office, so I have to shut it down. So the machine is ready to be sent to the site. The machine has been configured, and I want to call the owner of the machine so that you guys can see we are not joking here. We are not joking. I want you to see your machine so that you can confirm. Please, can you accept the video? Yeah. And I'm also recording so that people can see that I'm talking to a real person. So this is your machine. Calling back. Yeah, big man. So see, if you open your account, your mining account right now, you will see that one of the machine is active, and this is the machine that is currently running. What did you say? just go to the menu. You see the menu, you see where you click, you see Lucky 002.